Yes, hi everybody, how you doing? Let me hope that you're fine. Yes, today I'm going to teach you how you can make a bathrobe. I'm going to teach you how you can make a bathrobe. Before you learn how to make a bathrobe, you're supposed to first learn how to make a straight dress. You're supposed to first know how to make a straight dress. So assuming this is our straight dress members. Assuming this is our straight dress. Like you're seeing. Are you seeing? This is our straight dress members. And this is the bust line, waistline, and this is the hip line, and this is the full length. So members, if you want to learn how to make a bathrobe, you're supposed to first learn how to make a straight dress. So you're going to cut out your straight dress. You get to come, you cut out your straight dress. Cut it out properly. So after cutting out your straight dress, you'll get to get your piece of paper. You'll get to get your piece of paper, members. You trace out this. This is our dress, members. So I'm going to get my piece of paper or drafting paper. I draw my starting line again. You draw your starting line again. Remember, we are making a bathrobe. For those who knows bathrobe, you know what I'm talking about. So get your dress pattern. Come and put your dress pattern on this line like this. Are we together, members? So after putting your dress pattern here, you're going to come, you mark point 0. You mark point 1 and you mark point 2. You trace out. You get to trace out this. Trace it out like you're seeing. So after tracing it out, you're going to come, you get the sleeve length of your bathrobe. The sleeve length, measure it from this point coming across. If it's 20, measure 20. So assuming our sleeve is stopping here, mark this as point 3. After marking this as point 3, you're going to come down. You're going to come down here. Come down 10 inches. You mark it as point 4. Like that. Together, members. Join 3 to 4 like that. After joining 3 to 4, you're going to get your ruler. You draw your straight line. Draw your straight line. After drawing your straight line, you're going to come. You get this hip measurement. You draw it straight. Members, don't put in these designs. This is for a fitted dress. Remember, I'm teaching you how you can make a bathrobe from a basic dress pattern. So after doing this, you're going to come, you curve. You curve. Are you together, members? After curving, you're going to come from this point 0 here. From point 0, you're going to come, you measure, you come down 8 inches. From this point, come down 8 inches, you mark it as point 5. So draw a line from point 0 to point 5. Like this. Are you together, members? After drawing it down, members, our bathrobe is done. You get to cut it out like this. You get to cut it out like this, members. Do it like a pro. After cutting it out, I'll show you how to manipulate it. So get your scissor, cut it out. Start from here. This is going to make step by step. Do it like a pro, members. Do it like a pro. We are having a fashion and design masterclass happening this Saturday. Come with a lots of questions. Come and learn something. Yes, come and learn something, members. So you come and you cut it out like this. When you cut it out, it will come out like this, members. I swear you, it will come out like this. Are you seeing, members? It will come out like this. This is the front part. This is the front part. And when you're stitching this, you just join the shoulders and the sideways. So this is how you're going to make your front part of the bathrobe. You stitch here and you also stitch here. As simple as that. So for the front design, you're supposed to come here 2 inches, even here 2 inches, even here 2 inches. You come and draw. Then you cut this one out. After cutting it out, you again join it. So thank you for being good students. Let me hope you have understood something, you have learned something. May God bless you.